Hey guys, let's learn how to customize the currency symbol of Microsoft Excel. It is very simple and easy. I want to add the currency symbols for all these prices. So select all these prices. Right click on the selected part and go to Format Cells. Click here on currency. I cannot see here my country's currency symbol, so we can fix this. Press your Windows Start menu plus R, or right click on the Windows Start menu and then go to Run. Type in Control Panel and hit Enter on your keyboard. Select the category to large icons. Go to Region. Click here on the Additional Settings. Then click Currency tab. Now we can enter here any currency symbol we want. I am entering here my currency symbol NU.NU. NU stands for Belgium. Hit Apply. Then click on OK. OK. Now let's go to our Microsoft Excel. Here we can add our customized currency. That's it guys. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.